Hello, I'm cleaning up a very large database in RootsMagic, and RootsMagic has some wonderful tools, and I'm going to show you one called Problem Search. I know that I have some impossible dates in this database, and if we run the tool called Problem Search, clicking on Tools and then Problem Search, I'm only going to look for problems that have an order of events, and we can click on the OK on the dialog box, and it will go searching for any problems I have. When it finishes searching, it gives me a problem list, and here's the first one, and let's go see if we can figure out what happened with Caleb Bellows. He has a residence after death, so let's go find him and see if we can understand what's happening. So we go to the left-hand side, type Bellows and Caleb, and there he is, and look at, he has a little triangle next to his name that says, hey, there's a problem here. If I click on it, it says Bellows residence after death. This isn't right. So here we go. Let's click on him and say, let's look at his individual facts. And let's see, here it is right here. He has a residence in 1856, but he died in 1822. Now, how could that happen? If we then take and look at a source of where this came from by hovering over this check mark, we can see that it was imported on a GEDCOM file, but also it was from an Iowa State census collection. And if I double click on that and then copy this, here's the secret, we're going to test to see where this source came from. Maybe it's right. Now I can't die. He can't be living after he was born. So to check this, I'm going to move this guy over here, and I'm going to run Internet Explorer. And look at, I can go out and actually search in Ancestry where that came from for of all the Caleb Bellows. There's 16 possible matches in the Iowa State Census collection for Caleb Bellows. But over here, when we looked at the data, it said that it was in 1856. If we edit our search and we say any event that happened in 1856, then let's find that guy. Search for that. And it turns out that there's 3 that are possible matches, but none of them are spelled Caleb Bellows. And if we look at the birth year, all of these birth years are 1822, 1819. None of them are a birth year of our Caleb Bellows, which is a 1767. Because of that, I am confident that, once again, he could not have been a resident in 1856 when he died in 1822. So what we do with that is we simply delete that fact. That can't be true. And then we close this and our little red triangle goes away. That's how we're taking care of many of our problem or impossible date problems in my big file.